Nothing heavy. I'm not putting any pressure on it. Just basically trying to clean it up. How easy it is to stop it. Standard. Nothing heavy. I'm not putting any pressure on it. Just basically trying to clean it up. How easy it is to stop it. Cleaning it up, so I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, here's where I've just knocked off that stuff. Now I'm going to take just a little old mouse sander. It's got 60 grit, more rough over it, just kind of get some of that tarnished out of it, and then I'm going to leave it not much less than that. I'm not going to polish it all the way, but we'll heat it with this, and then I'm going to heat it with some 220, and then I'll come back over with some metal sandpaper and fine it over with 4, then 6, and then 12. So we'll be back. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Knocking it off, then I'll heat it with some 220 in a minute. It's just putting it in there. So we'll be right back. 220 this time. 220. It's all my carbon. That's why I don't want to take all of it off. And that's pretty much the finish that I'm going to go with. I'll smooth over that just a little bit. I don't know if it picks it up. I'll just take it out of the vise. I like that finish. I mean, I know some say, oh, shine her up more, this and that. It's an old knife look is what I'm going for. Bowie, which would be more pointed out, I'm sure, and a lot bigger than that. But this is the look that I like. I'm going with it. It's my knife, so I can. So we'll be back.